For many construction teams, projects and financial data live in different systems, and someone has to keep them aligned. When those systems aren't connected, teams are forced to re-enter the same information across platforms, causing delays and errors and increasing risk. IMAGINIT's ACC to Yardi Connector keeps project execution data in Autodesk Construction Cloud and financial data in Yardi in sync. Powered by IMAGINIT's Pulse integration engine, the solution supports secure, reliable data exchange, so project teams and financial teams are always working from the same information. Budgets, change orders, and financial transactions stay aligned between Yardi and ACC, reducing duplicate entry while allowing each platform to remain the source of truth for what it manages. The result? Fewer manual processes, better financial visibility, and more connected workflow without replacing the systems you already rely on. See how a connected ACC to Yardi workflow can improve efficiency and reduce risk. Contact IMAGINIT today.